If you feel like you could have used help protecting yourself, never fear. From small and practical to ridiculous and over the top, you're sure to find something to help you keep you protected. The best defense is a good offense. So here are the coolest gadgets for self-defense that are worth buying. The Defender. If you think that pepper spray is the best weapon for self-defense, the Defender is also a pepper spray, but it provides a much higher level of protection. It has a built-in camera that takes a picture of the attacker's face when spraying them. At the same moment, the photo and the geolocation of the incident are sent to the police. Thanks to this, officers will know where to go and who to look for. You also won't have to worry for your safety about spraying. A special button will trigger a loud beep as well. It will attract the attention of passers-by and scare away the attacker. Pepper Ball Life Light. The problem with most modern self-protection products is that their use often involves stress and puts your life at risk. For example, to actually use a pepper spray, you need to let the attacker get pretty close to you at arm's length. That's why Life's Light is so exceptional. It was developed by American company Pepper Ball. In case of emergency, the device will not only protect you, but will also allow you to stay as far from the attacker as possible. From the outside, the gadget just looks like a flashlight, and indeed a life light can be used as a flashlight. However, in dangerous situations, you can press a button to shoot balls filled with pepper irritants. The shooting distance is up to 18 meters. To make it easier for you to imagine, let's say that it's about the same length as 3 SUVs, but that's not all. When hit, the projectile not only causes pain, but it also breaks, generating toxic cloud with a diameter of 1.8 meters. This means that you don't have to actually hit the target. Even if you missed, you will still disorient them. The pepper powder is not lethal, but it causes great discomfort. Life Light is ergonomic, compact, and it will fit in your glove compartment without causing any suspicious. The purchase will cost $300. Rubber band gun. We bet that at least once in your life you hurt yourself by accident while playing with a rubber band. Well, it turns out that the dangerous properties of this product can be used for the sake of your safety. Here's a toy gun that uses rubber bands instead of usual plastic bullets. This is a folding and compact toy that weighs no more than 100 grams. You can easily carry it with you as a keychain. Loading the gun is really simple too. Just pull the rubber band and fasten it to the holders. Imperial White Provoke. Here is a folding knife from the Provoke series, developed by Columbia River Knife and Tool. Its surface has a snow white coating, hence the name of the model Imperial White. When folded, the knife is small and doesn't attract too much attention, but a button actuates a mechanism that opens the blade and puts the device in a combat position. The special shape is Provoke allows the weapons to lie comfortably and safely in the palm of your hands. The weapon is made of high carbon and high chromium D2 steel. It has excellent cutting properties and is resistant to water, dirt, chemicals, and corrosion. It's 184 millimeters long, but when folded, it's only 125 millimeters long, and it only weighs 170 grams. CRKT Tactical Pen. Appearances can be deceiving. Here's another device by Columbia River Knife and Tool, but this time it is much more subtle. It's a tactical pen that can be used to write at the same time. It's made of durable aircraft-grade aluminum. The smart choice of material plus the sharp, elongated shape creates a very dangerous combination. This means that in an emergency situation, this pen will help you protect yourself or fight off an attacker. The gadget weighs only 40 grams and it's 150 millimeters long. Defender Ring. It's important to understand that not all means of self-defense have a complex design and bulky dimensions. Sometimes even a tiny weapon can save your life. The American company Defender Ring offers a variety of jewelry for self-defense. It's worthy that the ring is no different from any other. The secret is that the protruding piece can be unscrewed, revealing a small but very sharp blade underneath it. The manufacturer offers several different materials materials from stainless steel to gold and silver. The outer tips are also interchangeable and can also have a wide variety of shapes. That is, the Defender ring is not only means of protection but also a unique piece of jewelry. Knucks Keychain EDC. You'll surely like this stylish accessory. This is also a ring, but it doesn't have any detachable parts. The Knucks Keychain EDC can be worn on any finger, and it acts as a mini brass knuckle, which enhances the impact and turns your fist into a weapon. The device is small enough to lie in your pocket and won't cause any discomfort when in use. It's also suitable for every wearing as an extravagant ring. An additional advantage is that it extended functionality. You can also open bottles with Knucks Keychain EDC. The ring weighs 56 grams and is made of super strong duralumin. SABRE Red Mighty Discreet. Mighty Discreet is a gas pepper spray from the American company's SABRE Red. When developing it, the creators thought primarily about convenience. That is why Mighty Discreet is 40 smaller on average than other similar models on the market. The spray is so tiny that it can be easily hidden in your fist. And of course, it can easily fit in your pocket or a small purse too. The modest size, however, has not affected the levels of protection. Mighty Discreet has a 4-meter radius and enough content for about 16 uses.